We thank you. Sports injuries can happen to anyone, especially teenagers who are always on the go, out on the fields, all that. That's why we have a panel of doctors in the studio tonight taking your calls on treating and preventing those kinds of injuries. Maureen joins us once again from Studio B.
That's right. The number to call, 287-8005. We have this panel of experts here who can help and take your questions now through 6:30. The number again is 287-8005. Joining me now is Dr. Dan Day. He's with the Department of Sports Medicine at Rochester Regional Health. First, to reiterate, helmets are so important, but choosing the right helmet is really important as well.
Yeah, and I think the other thing to realize is helmets won't prevent concussion, but hopefully we can reduce forces. So there are better helmets than not, and there is more and more research coming out, and they're coming out with star rating systems now that will at least give a little bit more information as far as whether that helmet is a safe helmet or not.
Can you rely safely on your average store clerk to help you select a helmet for your child?
No, probably not. You're going to have to do some research on that. You know, they have things out there for football helmets, and even now soccer headbands are starting to get some research put behind them. Bike helmets are coming out with some research. So there's more and more coming out, and you know, I think you got to find some of those rating systems, and there's several throughout the country that have that, and at least get some information as far as what helmet to get.
And in general, the best helmets do what? They prevent concussion, prevent injury, but how do they fit the best ones out there?
Well, I think again, we don't prevent concussion with them, so that's very important to realize.
Okay, so, good correction.
Yeah. So, you know, the helmet's supposed to reduce forces, so hopefully if we reduce the force, we reduce the risk of concussion, but we can't completely take that out. So the more padding and the more force that we can kind of offset is going to be better within that helmet.
All right, Dr. Day, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, 287-8005. Call now. Lots of questions, lots of phone calls coming in right now, and these pros can help you now through 6:30. Adam?